so far, what are the three things you think?
The most important part is to be familiar with everything, like all the topics you cannot leave, as Anushka said. And I heard it, I read it somewhere or heard it, I don't remember, but AICPA usually tests the width of the topic. Like you don't have to know everything in depth, but you have to know everything, a little bit of everything. So that is very important. Secondly, you have to keep practicing. Like no matter if your you are feeling like crying, but you have to keep practicing MCQs. That is very important to be familiar and in touch with all the topics and to not get confused. Thirdly, as Irshad said, like start from the call of the question, because sometimes at times it happens the length of the question is so big that we get overwhelmed and we skip it. But usually half of the information is not even required to answer the question. So that is why it's important to know what they are asking rather than getting overwhelmed by the length of the question. So those are the 3 tips.
Okay. What about the next section, audit? What do you think?
Sir, same. You have to be very familiar with the language of the question and you have to read the question at least twice to know what they are actually asking, because it's very easy to get confused in audit because we are mostly overconfident in it because it's just a theory subject. And also the thing that really helped me in getting the grasp of the topics was making my own notes. 4 times I made notes of all topics, and that really helped me to understand the logic and to grasp the topics properly.
How was REC for you? And what are the top 3 things one need to master?
The only thing I would say is reviewing is very extremely important, and you have to you can, like, the limits are the limits in everything are like so much that you should, instead of reviewing them, you can make charts of them so that you are more organized in learning. And also the bases and like kind exchanges, these are like very typical topics which can make you cry for the win, but so it's very important for you to practice them a lot. That's it.
Last comes the BEC, which is business environment. And
BEC has a lot of content in it, and people say it's easy. It's not, especially if you're not from a CA background. To me, a CA background helped because it has cost exactly like that. It has financial management exactly like that. So on a very surface level, we study in CA in a very deeper level. So this was really easy to do. But then IT was a typical part, and for that I would suggest to keep on practicing because you have to get it by heart at the end of the day. So that helps. And then for written communication, people take it lightly, but I think it's important that you practice the structure of it. And but again, the technicality is also important, so you have to know the whole subject, like everything you have to know. But yeah, structure is very important for written communication to get through.